Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft. My name is Trupti. I am paper quilling artist. So how are you doing today? How is weather there? We had very nice weather here. Around 67 was the high, but it was little bit windy. But I know in some parts it's snowing a lot, and in some part it's a hot weather. We had a cloudy 67 and windy weather. So how was your week? This weekend I had two workshops, one on Saturday and one on Sunday. Saturday it was in one local craft store. They had some Valentine's Day workshops. So I went there. There were four ladies who came there, and they did heart, uh, heart frame, and heart card. So it was good workshop. That was my first time conducting workshop in that area. It was a good shop. It was in the mall, and that shop owner had a few tables in front of her store in the passage. So everyone was very interested what they are doing. So every a lot of people came. They saw what is quilling and everything. So maybe next time I will do workshop there, and they will have more people there. And on Sunday I had my regular workshop, 6 day workshop. So that one was my third day. So Saturday Sunday went there only. And I'm also, as you know, I'm also working on my website. uh, I'm redoing my website, and I'm adding shop on that website so that you can buy directly from that shop. So I was working on that, and I finished those four uh, Tennessee Tech frames, logo frames. So these are four frames. These four frames are ready to ship. So this weekend I will ship these four frames. So I did this much only this week. Now I today I will show you how to make a flower with quilling comb. So let's get started. Let me adjust my another camera. Give me a couple of minutes. Okay, so I bought new stand, camera stand, so that I can use this properly. So let me arrange this one. Okay. Okay, can you hear me and see me properly? Please let me know, because this is the first time I am trying with this stand. I am just using phone. Okay, good. Thank you, Preeti. I think I had to adjust a little bit more. Okay. So today we are going to use this quilling comb and paper strips and glue. So let's get started. So this is quilling comb. If you don't have this quilling comb, you can use regular hair comb, or if you have a pet comb, you can use that pet comb. Just any comb is fine. So take one strip, and so these are pins. So what you have to do first, insert strip around this second pin like this, and then fold it like this, and then fold this part. And we are making loop, so let's put glue like this, and we are going to use tiny bit glue. So this is our first loop. Now wrap this strip around. So this is third. First, right now we wrap around second loop. So, sorry, second teeth or pin. Now we have to wrap it around third pin like this, and again come back here, and then put glue. Now we have to wrap this strip around fourth pin. So take this and wrap it. If you want, I can show you on the back. So back is like this. So just wrap around it like this and put glue. So every time when you wrap it, you have to put glue like this. So just follow this process until you run out of strip. So like this, so this much strip I have, I can just tear that excess strip and hold it for few seconds. Let it dry, and then you can remove it like this. So you will have one petal like this. And what you have to do, you have to pinch here and pinch little bit here like this. And then hold this loop like this, and then press it like this little bit, and then let it go. So this will be one petal. I am going to show you one more time. So take strip. So these are pins. So wrap this strip around second pin like this and fold. Keep little bit paper like this, and again fold it on back like this, and then put glue and hold it like this for few seconds. Now we have to wrap this strip around pin third. Wrap it and again put glue here on the bottom. Again go around. Now go around pin fourth. Wrap it. I will show you back. Back will be like this only, and then put glue on the bottom, and again wrap around next pin like this. Just do loops, and then at end tear excess strip, and then remove it. Pinch it at the bottom where we glued it, and pinch it on the top, and then you have to push it like this, and then let it go. So you will have petals like these. So now let's glue these petals. Hello Ramji, how are you doing? Oh, thank you very much. So let's glue these petals. I already made 10-12 petals. So let's do it. So these are so many petals, right? So what we are gonna do, take one petal, put glue on both sides, You have to use just tiny bit glue. Take another petal, hold it like this. You can do it on both sides like this. And then put glue on these both sides. And again glue these petals. Now what we will do, we will put this on the board. So this is just a regular foam board. If you don't have foam board, what you can do, you can just use any cardboard and wrap that cardboard with plastic wrap. And let's use pins to secure these petals. Now glue remaining petals like this. So for this flower, I used only one color. If you want, you can use multiple color. So how you can do that? Just use half strip and do half color strip. Sorry, half one color strip, and then do loop with that, and then glue another strip and do remaining strips with that color. So you will have multicolor loops and you will have multicolor flowers. Like this, I think I need one more petal. I think two more. Okay. So now you have to let this dry completely. So it will take minimum 5 minutes. So let me show you. So your flower will look like this. Now let's make a middle part for the flower. So for that one, I am taking 2 red color strips, glue 2 red color strips together and make big strip, and we will make tight coil with this big strip. And now roll it. Roll whole big strip. If you are new, so this is slotted too. So it has one slot. You have to insert strip inside the slot and you have to roll it gently like this. And then put glue and hold it for few seconds. And then remove it. Now, so this is the tight coil. What we are gonna do? So this is my slotted tool. I'm going to push this coil out like this. So you will have dome shape. So push this coil outside and take glue and spread glue inside, so that after some time when you push, if you push accidentally, this part will not press down and it will not become flat. So that's why you have to add glue here. And once your petals are dried, what you are going to do, you are going to remove these pins. But while removing pins, remember, don't just remove like this. If you remove pins like this, sometimes what happen, middle parts come out. So hold your fingers like this and then remove these pins carefully. Look, can you see? I didn't put a finger there and I tried to remove the pin. So the middle part came out. So that's why just use your fingers all around and then remove the pins. Now we will glue this middle part. Put glue around the dome shape and glue it like this. Press it from side and let it dry. So I will just show you close up of this flower. So yeah, your flower will look like this. So you can make different color flowers and you can make greeting card with this, or you can make magnet with this. Just add little bit Mod Podge or just dilute the glue and just use brush and apply it on both sides so that this flower will become sturdy, and you can just add magnet on the back and use this as a magnet, or just make greeting card, or you can decorate any frame with this. You can get blank frames, right? You can decorate those blank frames with these kind of flowers. So just a minute, I will just adjust my other camera. So I hope you enjoy by just a minute, my other. Okay, yes. I hope you enjoy learning this flower, and I hope you will make these kind of flowers. If you make something like this, please take a picture and share with me. I would love to see your creations. So if you want to learn something else, don't forget to contact me. I will try my best to show the tutorial. So that's it for today. Thank you for coming by. Happy quilling. Good night.